Now we are going to install Informatica 9.6 server on Windows Ultimate version, Windows 7 Ultimate. Uh, I have unzipped Informatica uh, software right here in this directory. We also need a schema for Informatica uh, domain, which I already created. As you can see, I do not have any tables there yet. So let's go ahead and get it started. Let's go there, server, install, right click, run as administrator, yes. So it is a new install, so we are going to say install Informatica. It's not an upgrade. Next. We provide the summary, how much disk space is required, minimum RAM. We exceed all that. Just click next. Right here is asking for the license key. You should have it. I am going to go and navigate to my license key that's on my C drive, program files, INF right here. Open that, it's gonna get there. Destination by default, this is where it's going to install. Again, it's ready for installation, so click on install. Now it's gonna go through copying and installing files. Again, it should take anywhere from 10 minutes to 30-40 minutes depending on your machine. So now it's going to create a domain, and we just click on next, and we provide the credentials for allow access. Now you can say both public as well as that allow access for Java. So now we are going to create a domain and set up a password. So remember that host name for our database server is port is running on is 1521. Service name it ORCL, and we can test connection. I have provided something wrong. Let's check that. So I provided the wrong username and password. This is the instance INF domain. So I have corrected that INF DOM, and the password, address for the server, the port Oracle is running on, and service name is this. Let's connect and test the okay, connection is successful. Okay, that. Click next. Keyword for encryption information, you need to provide something. I think by default you need about minimum requirement is 15 character long. Let's see. So I provided a long one. Let's see if that takes it. Encrypted will be generated. Yes, go ahead and generate that. Now we are asking for the Informatica administrator username password. Let's provide that. So administrator, leave the username as administrator, provide the password. And you don't need to display advanced port, but just take this default. Okay, I did not put the right password there. Should be okay now. Password do not match. I must have done something wrong here. Let's see. There we go. Establish defining domain. So once it's done defining and creating domain, we can go and check in Oracle. Right here we have that Informatica repository, and it created a whole bunch of tables in there. So domain creation was successfully completed. Right here it's asking if we want to run Informatica services under different user account. In this case, I'm going to use the same because I am the administrator on this machine, so I'm fine with that. It's going to start the services. So now it has finished installing Informatica server. This is where the log file is. This is Informatica administrator homepage. When you click there, you might see a security exception. Accept that. So we are done with the installation.